I feel so bad. I'm like totally in your way.
Alright, so we're going to start with the islands of Samoa. So I want you guys to repeat after me. Talofa! Come on, I know you guys can be louder than that. Come on. Alright, Talofa! There we go. Alright. Let's begin. Alright. La ulupe ua le whao maua. Talo whai la upe le ua le iloa. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Aoia Juliane, aoia Juliane. O le teine Samoa ua siva, ua whawhai, pe o se pato sinalonga o le vai. O tamata ua sinaloa, I le siva o le teine Samoa. Oka oka, ua mwanele whanaloa. Tatele fia mana tua, lea fia file sangafua, na pale alanga. Watape ape papa, watafia ole tauga, fewa solo solo. Newa o Solomon, malelo tobo momo. Mua
Announcing on Snapchat.
Samoa la ua langa upu, e mama ele tava e ona fulu, e avatua e se fautuanga. Tau fi mauna o manu, ai tau nunu ni malu, le au manga wa tau whai miu, ali itai au lenu, e tofu le matai ma le awaiu. Now we're going to take this to the Tongan Islands. Hina whakau fofa, hoku langi maa, iwe langi maa. Koe hae aunga, hasi e tamata I koloa. Kai whiwhi ai aho e taha, iwe aho e taha. Ne pito no whai ai malele, ngā kua whano, ha malelele ai. Ani kolosi ai e kue, ta matututu, ha malelele ai. Tue, kai whiwhi, koe ha kai langi taua ngai, O whaketolonga o tupu tupu ai hau o kumalu I whanua O whaketolonga o tupu tupu ai hau o kumalu I whanua. Now we're going to take this to the island of Tahiti. Sorry. Thank you. Epico, epico mare, tangi anai awe, tana tamata epico, epico mare, tangi anai awe. Tana tamata This last song, it's Hawaiian. Hey guys. Master, Redeemer, Savior of the world, wonderful Counselor, bright morning star, lily of the valley, provider and friend. He was yesterday, he'll be tomorrow, the beginning and the end. The angels called him Jesus. He was born of the Virgin, yeah. Mary called him Jesus. Oh, but I call him Lord. Thank you.